but engaged in technology. You need to understand these are the different formats of innovation: incremental, sustaining, radical, and disruptive. Are you with me? So who is an entrepreneur? An entrepreneur is the one who starts a new business by taking the risk, and he is the one who is going to enjoy the profits too. So an entrepreneur is one. An entrepreneur is considered as a source of innovation, ideas, method, products, qualities, skills. So an entrepreneur always takes some risk, that we call it as calculated risk in business. When he takes the calculated risk, automatically he is bound to enjoy the profits too. Isn't it? That is an entrepreneur. In what way these entrepreneurs contribute? An entrepreneur provides job opportunity. When you study well, when you start working for somebody, you will not have that opportunity to provide job. Maybe a service segment or a product segment, you want people to work with you. Not only you will procure material from somebody, you will be giving revenues to the bank. So you will be employing intelligence. Everything is created by man only. But you need to work on those issues where you can complement the technology by providing the job. Entrepreneurs in this competition automatically when you bring in new process, new technology. Process technology it doesn't just correspond to manufacturing a service alone. It corresponds to how do you handle your HR, how do you handle your people, how do you market the product, how do you brand the product, how do you accelerate your product. So technology is embedded in every step of business. Okay, that's what you bring in technology. In this competition, boost productivity. Entrepreneurs create new business and new service to the market. Entrepreneurs add maybe in the form of GST or in the form of income tax. So you are a part of nation building process. And entrepreneurs introduce technology. That's what, because I visit many research institutions. It's my passion to go to research institutes and find out what's happening around. Most of the researchers that have been carried out are waiting tests in laboratories, in research organizations. So an entrepreneur is the one who takes up this technology, gives the somebody had done, which has earned them a degree or a PhD or some